All right, guys, hola, bienvenidos, welcome and welcome back. I just wanted to introduce the promotional items from Veto Pro Pack. So this is going on during their spring promo. So if you guys buy a wheeler, a backpack, a Tech MC, an MB5B, a lot of guys have been interested in that one. If you guys buy any of their, top bags, you're gonna get some free items with it if you buy between March and May. So it officially just kicked off. It's March 1st. So I can talk to you about some bags that I've had here. So I've been trying these out, and they're actually really cool. So these are the promotional items that you'll get for free if you buy one of the qualifying bags. Tier 1 and Tier 2, we have the SBLD, which is a nice open top bag with the meter pouch in the back attached to it. You don't have to hang your meter off the side, take any room from your hand tools. It's built in, really cool idea. And then the DP3 is something similar. So it's a tool pouch for those guys that just want hand tools. You want to clip it to your belt. You can clip it here, and you got your vertical tool storage right here, and then you got a drill holster. So I do have some videos coming out where I have the loadout, and that's why I have tools up here. But essentially, you can carry hand tools, and then you have room to holster your impact, your drill, whatever you want to carry. I mean, all of us end up taking one anyway to take off panels, drill holes, and then you just need a few tools to do either an inspection or repair. So check that out. That is the DP3. Lots of storage, lots of pockets, and then you get that drill holster built in and the adjustable belt clip. I have it all the way up. That was the most comfortable for me, but you can remove it and move it up and down and get in there, get the exact height you want on that. So really cool, the DP3. And then we also have, like I mentioned, the SBLD. Now I'll do loadout videos for these. Look out for Veto Pro Pack. I think I did this for them specifically, so they're gonna have that video out on their channel. But you basically have kind of like what the TP6B was an open tool pouch, which makes a lot of sense because I have the TPLC, the TPXXL. I've had those bags and other brands that are similar, and the flap gets annoying, right? Opening and getting that open all the time every time you want a tool. So this is an open top bag. It's great if you're indoors or a ground level. You got the hard bottom base. You got plenty of storage around the bag. And then what they've done is added the ability to hold your meter. So you can hold a meter, you can hold an impact back here. This little pouch attachment in the bag is super awesome. So go check that out. If you guys get one of their bags, you're gonna get one of these for free, depending on which bag you get. Go look at the list. There's a tier 1 and a tier 2. So right now, if you've been eyeing any of the Veto bags, is a great time to get one. It's essentially buy one, get one free. So go check that out. Go check out Veto Pro Pack. They're gonna have a video from me very soon, and then I will do my own videos of these out in the field over the weekend. So remember to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Stay tuned, and I will see you guys.